If we are being honest, I was expecting more. Let's see now how much they are making with private practice. Hey guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today we have a quick video with just 3 payslips. We are looking at our payslip aga psychology. We're gonna look at clinical psychology finally, and 2 registered counselors. Registered counselors are people who don't have master's degree in psychology, but they just have a honors degree. So we are going to look at that and see how much they are earning, because we know, guys, it's the hard knock life. It's the hard knock life to get into that master's psychology. And I know some people, they will also say it's a hard knock life to get into the honors degree yaga psychology, ne? So first, let's look at this first registered counselor. Okay, so she's got her honors degree in psychology and registered with the HPCSA. She says here, we work like psychologists, but there's things that we can't do since we don't have the master's degree. Guys, I can't wait to start filming with my phone. Sorry, with my camera again. Yo, I don't like the framing of the phone. Anyway, give guys where to put the pay slips. Basic salary here, she works for the government, okay? Basic salary is 37,632. NP cash 16,126. Gross salary 53,760. Deductions 12,777. And a net pay of 40,982. Their tax is 12,600. And there are other things that they are paying for, but they don't have medical aid. There is no gems here, and there is no, what's this thing, housing allowance. Yeah, but maybe she's still new. I don't know how many years of experience, but from me, I don't know how the village feels about this one. I think it's good. A net pay of 40,000 with the honors degree. Happy days. Now let's look at the second counselor. Okay, relax. Here's a clinical psychologist. Nansi ke second counselor ne ake simbone lo ukuthi uhola malini. They work for the Department of Health Eastern Cape. Basic salary 37,612. NP cash allowance 16,212. Gross salary 53,760. Deductions, they are exactly the same. Everything is the same, guys. Everything is the same. Deductions 12,722 and a pay of 40,988. Hey, well, guys, you know, I nearly said which maybe I need. This is the same pay slip. No, it's not the same pay slip. The other one, the net salary is 40,988, and the other one is 40,982. Now, let's move to the big guys. Abo Putin, Abo Sisi, abane master's degree in psychology. You know, I've made a video on TikTok some time back where I was like, hi guys, someone was asking what's the EP degree that I will not allow my child to do. This is the degree, guys. There is just too much loopholes for my liking, but I'm not discouraging you guys. I'm not trying to be negative, but there is just too much loopholes when it comes to this degree. Kuningi. Ngiyayithanda mina into straightforward, you know. But let's see. Hi Boni, I thought I should share a clinical psychologist payslip. I'm grade 1 clinical psychologist working for the Department of Health. Also have a part-time practice with a gross income of about, okay, we're going to look at it now. I have a master's degree. Isn't just a game. Master's degree in psychology with just 3 years experience. Let's see how much they're getting, and then we're going to see their practice as well. Private practice, how much they're getting there. Okay, basic salary 46,087 rands, NP cash 9,919, gross salary 56,000, deductions 16,932, and a net pay of 39,175. Okay, okay, I see. They are paying for a pension, which is 3,000. Okay, but guys, i-basic salary yabo, I think ihlukene go 7,000 rands, because the other one was like 37. This one is 46. Ihlukene maybe go 8,000-9,000 i-basic salary. So there isn't much difference. I don't know. How is the village feeling about this one? I don't know. It's a bit underwhelming. If we are being honest, I was expecting more, but it's not bad. Let's see now how much they are making with private practice. Okay, they sent me their 2023 management reports. So March, April, May, June till October. Okay, so fee income 51,000 rands. Rental income 7,500, total income 58,566, and in April they made 87,000, in May they made 63,000, in June they made 74,000, in July they made 102,000, and in August they made 101,000, and in September they made 59,283, and there is nothing for October 2023 management reports. Are you getting encouraged now? I think you are really getting encouraged. I think it's a good one once you get in your masters and you pass a yonke into your board exams and 9. But personally, if you are someone who needs to work within a space of 4 years or so, or 5 years at the most, I can't get it's a lot of loopholes, and awazi ukuthi uzothathwa, like we are decline. Angazi guys how you feel about it, but abantu bakule industry, I know they are passionate about it. They will always say positive things about it, which is good. Vele, you need to say positive things about your profession, you know. But guys, angazi mina nje ngiyayisaba. Yes. Ngiyayisaba, but this income looks good, and nalabo bane honors, it looks good. Ikona ukuthi it's not easy ungena even with honors. Otherwise guys, I will see you on the next one. Please like and share this video, and let me know what other payslips you would like to see. And don't forget, this Wednesday I have a lovely lady, Anele Cele. I sat down with her. We are going to discuss why she left accounting for tech consulting, how she got her jobs, and. See you on the next one. Bye.